Hi, welcome to the channel Agri Entomology Tutors. If you are watching my channel for the first time, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell button to get all the notifications of uploaded videos. Today, we shall know about what are all the books to be read for competitive exams like JRF for cracking the agricultural entomology and nematology subject. For our convenience, the books to be read for JRF entomology and nematology has been divided into the entomological part books, nematological part books, and the general agriculture books. In that entomology, we have to read entomological aspects, sericultural aspects, apiculture, and other beneficial insects aspects we have to read. There are two basic books with respect to the agricultural entomology subject. The one book is Insecta, an introduction, and another one is Principles of Applied Entomology. These both books are written by the same authors, Raghumurthy, Balasubramani, Srinivasan, and Natarajan. The book Insecta mainly covers insect morphology, anatomy, and taxonomical part. And in case of applied entomology book, it mainly covers on sericultural part, apicultural part, biological control methods, IPM, and some toxicological part also covered. The third book you have to read for JRF exam is Elements of Economic Entomology. It's also called as Triple E book, which was written by Vasantraj David and Ramamurthy. This book mainly covers the aspects with respect to the sericulture, lac insects, apiculture, and the main thing is the pest management in agri as well as horticultural crops. You have to read this book. The fourth book you have to read for JRF exam is Applied Entomology, which was written by D.S. Reddy. This book mainly covers all the different parts or different aspects on entomology subject in a glimpses form. And if you are not reading Tibali book for pest management or horticulture and agricultural crop pest management aspects, you can read completely in this book. Here the DS Reddy sir gave complete information about pest crops, pest management in the different crops as well as in table form. And the fifth book you have to read for JRF exam is Entomology Refresher, which was written by Panikumar and Viji. This is very good book than compared to the TV Prasad book. You must read this book, and somewhat difficult is this book somewhat difficult, and you have to read repeatedly to memorize all these things in this book. Sixth book you have to read for JRF exam is the Handbook of Entomology or Entomology Treatise or Objective Entomology. These three books are written by the same author, T.V. Prasad. And also inside these books, the content also similar, but the treatise is in points form, and Objective Entomology book is in MCQ form, and the Handbook of Entomology is in theoretical form. Which one you are interested in out of these three books you can read, but I suggest you to read entomology treatise book. After that reading this entomology treatise book, you can solve this entomology objectives book. After reading all the theoretical part, you can solve some of the objective books to get confidence to take exam. One is Objective Entomology and Nematology, which was written by the different authors S.V. Sai Prasad, Sridhar, Sushil, and Shukla. And another one is Objective Agricultural Entomology, which was written by Dr. Shravan M. Halder. With respect to the nematology aspects. The textbook of Introductory Plant Nematology, written by Bajaj and Walia. It's called as Bajaj and Walia book. This book is a main book, and you have to read completely thoroughly this book, and somewhat difficult you can feel while reading this book, and but you have to read this book. If you thorough with this book, you may not need to read this nematology treatise or nematology refresher, and even any other nematological aspects objective books also. After thorough with this theoretical part of this introductory plant pathology written by Bajaj and Walia, you can also read this nematology refresher or nematology treatise. Any one of this book you can choose and read. With respect to the general agricultural aspect, I only suggest only two books to read. The one is a competitive book, Agriculture, written by Nimraj Sunda, or agriculture book Nimraj Sunda, and the second one is Objective Agriculture, written by S.R. Kantwa. I only suggest these two books to read for your JRF exams, along with the current updates on agriculture as well as allied sectors in India. Uh, with respect to this current updates, some books will be released before the JRF exams. You have to purchase those books and you have to read. Read all those books, understand the subject, and crack the exam. All the best. Thank you.